Now you can see that, the first two, three questions are out of syllabus. So let us start with the third question. What will be the molarity? What will be the molarity of a solution which contains 5.85 gram of NaCl? 5.85 gram of NaCl per 500 ml. Now this is the question that we have, my dear students. To solve this question, we can do one interesting thing. What is the molarity? So what is the formula for molarity? Can you tell me, any one of you? Molarity formula, M is equal to W into 1000 divided by MWT multiplied by volume of solution. I hope you remember this formula. Now here we have NaCl. So NaCl, that is 23 plus 55, sorry, 23 plus 35.5. What is the total? 58.5. This is the molecular weight. So this molecular weight is 58.5. Weight they have given that 5.85. And total volume of solution they have given 500 ml. So let us put all these values, my dear students. So when we put all these values, what do we find, or what we find is this, that we have 5.85, we have 5.85 multiplied by 1000 divided by 585. Can you tell me now the answer? Multiplied by 500. If you cancel this with this, you get the answer 2. When you cancel with this, you get the answer 10 over here. So it is 2 by 10. That is what it is going to be, 0.2. So this is 0.2 is going to be the right answer for your question. बच्चों आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आप स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो क्या आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
let's look
Yes,
at
sir.
the next question. Let's pay attention
Yes,
to
sir.
the question. If 500 ml of a 5 molar solution is diluted to 1500 ml, what will be its molarity of the solution? So we can use here the formula, my dear students, and the formula we can use here is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. This is the formula that we can use. Now, first M1 is, first we should find out what is M1. So your M1 is 5 molar. This is your M1. Then V1 is 500 ml. This is what it is going to be your V1. What is your V2, my dear students? So when you look at V2, you find out this is your V2. And this M2 you need to find out. Molarity, this is what it is, M2 is question mark. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So let us
Yes.
put all these
Yes, sir.
values. For M2 we'll put M2. For V2 we'll write 1500. For M1 we have 5 and M2 V1 we have 500 ml. So your M is going to be 5 multiplied by 500 divided by 1500. Easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So now can you tell me what could be the answer?
One
Out of these 4, can you tell me what is it?
1.66.
1.66.
Sure, 1.66?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1.66.
Good, good, my dear students.
Yes.
This is what it is going to be the answer. Now let's look at the next question. Number of atoms present in 1 mole of element is equal to Avogadro number. Which of the following element contain greatest number of atoms? 4 gram of helium. So first let us find out their atomic number. So for helium it is 4. For sodium it is 23. For calcium it is 40. Again for helium it is 4. So if we divide this with this number, so 4 gram divided by 4 will give us 1 mole. So now we are going to write the mole. This is what it is going to be, 2 mole. This is 2 mole. 2 mole. This is 0.1 mole. Yes or no? And this is, it is going to be 3 mole. Now you can easily answer. Which of the following element contain the greatest number of atoms? किसमें greatest number of atoms होंगे?
12
किसमें मोल सबसे ज्यादा है?
12 gram of helium.
Which one has got the highest mole?
Option 4.
Fourth one.
Fourth.
Because this is 3 mole. So
Helium.
total number of atom would be 3 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and that is why it is going to be the correct answer for we people. Let's move to the next question. In the concentrated, in the concentration of glucose in blood 0.9 gram per liter, what will be the molality of glucose in blood? What will be the molality of glucose in blood? So first of all, if you want to find out the molality, if we want to find out the molarity, we should first have the molecular weight. So if we want to calculate the molecular weight, my dear students, first C6, that is 12 multiplied by 6. What could be 12 multiplied by 6, my dear students? 72 plus 72 plus 12 plus 16 6 16 6
96.
96. Can you add this and give me the answer? See, for carbon we have 12, hydrogen we have 1, for oxygen we have 16, so we have taken it 16 6 are 96, 12 ones are 12, and 12 6 are 72. What's the total sum?
180.
Very good. So molecular weight is 180. Now, how can we calculate molarity? Molarity is W into 1000 divided by MWT into volume of solution. Now, let us take volume of solution 1 liter. So 1 liter, that is 1000 ml. 1000 ml and 1000 ml get cancelled. Now, can you tell me the answer? 1000 ml and 1000 ml get cancelled. For W, you write 0.9,
0.005 m.
and for this, you write 180. So it is going to be, you see, 9 divided by 10 into 180. And 9 twos are 18, so it is 20. So it is, you can write it as 1 divided by 200. If you multiply both with 5, it is going to be 5 divided by 1000. 5 divided by 1000. And 5 divided by 1000, that means this is what it is going to be your answer. I hope you understood, my dear students.
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the next question and understand it well. What will be the molality of a solution containing 18.25 gram of HCl gas in 500 gram of water? Again, you need to find out the molality. So let's move, my dear students. Here, instead of molarity, you need molality. So the formula for molality is W into 1000 divided by molecular weight multiplied by, you know what is the difference? What should we write here? What should we write here? Dear students, I am asking, please come on, answer. What should we write here? Molecular weight multiplied by mass of solvent. Mass of solvent in gram. So here you can see that this is what it is, your 18.25 gram. 18.25 gram is your W. 500 gram of water is this mass of solvent in gram. Molecular weight you can find out HCl. So for hydrogen you write 1. For Cl you write 35.5. And that is what it is going to be, 36.5. Now you can put the value and find the answer. So how can you calculate it? You have 18.25 multiplied by 1000 divided by 36.5 and multiplied by 500. This 500 and 1000 get cancelled, dear students. It's 500. This 500 get cancelled with the 1000. This 500 get cancelled with the 1000, my dear students, and we can get the exact answer. You can see here that I have this 500 with me. So This 500 get cancelled with 1000. These are this your 18.25 twos are this. So if 500, you can write 2 here. These two and these two even get cancelled, and you get 1 molal as the answer. Not this one, my dear students, because this is what it represents, the molarity. So the correct answer would be 4th, which represents the molality, because we are asked to calculate the molality. So this is how we get this 4th one as our answer. Let's look at the next question and understand it well. 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of any substance contains this much 6.022 10 to the power 23 atoms or molecules. Number of molecules of H2SO4 present in 100 ml of 0.02 molar H2SO4 solution. See here too, we just need to find out what is the number of moles present into it. So we know that molality M is equal to moles per liter. Now when we know this, that molality is nothing but your mole per liter, how you find out moles? So here you can see that in 100 ml, or here you can see that in, for H2SO4, the molarity is given as a 0.02 molar. This is 0.02 molar. That means 0.02 mole in 1 liter. But instead of 1 liter, here we have only 100 ml. So in 100 ml, we can say in 100 ml, this value would be decreased. So in 100 ml, we can say that in 100 ml, we have 0.002 moles. Now we come to know about 0.002 moles, my dear students. We are going to solve it here. So 0.002 moles multiplied by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This 6.022 into 2 will give us 12.044. So either the answer could be these or this. Now here we have 10 to the power 23, my dear students. That is what we can easily understand. But here it is 0.002, that is 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3, you can say. So this 23 minus 3, if you write, it will give us 10 to the power 20. That you can see here in this option, that we have 10 to the power 20, and this 6.022 multiplied by 2 will give us 12.044. So your answer is option 1. Option 1 is going to be your answer. I hope you understand, my dear students. Is there anything which you cannot understand? Let's move to the next question. What is the mass percentage of carbon in carbon tetrachloride? You know, when we think about a carbon tetrachloride, this carbon tetrachloride is CCl4. Now, For CCl4 we can write, for C we can write 12 plus for Cl4 we can write 4 multiplied by 35.5. That is what it gives us. 5 4s are 20, 2 carried. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 142. And then again 12. So 2 plus 2 gives us 4. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. So we have this mass 154 gram. Now in 154 gram, we need to find out the mass percentage of carbon. So you can say that in 154 gram, you can easily understand it here. In 154 gram, carbon is 12 gram. So what if we have 100 gram? So it is 100 multiplied by 12 divided by 154 gram. Can you calculate and give me the answer? Can you do it for me? Can you calculate and give me the answer? Dear students, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, come on, answer. What could be the answer? Hello. What are you doing? Is there anyone who can answer? Sorry, my dear students, I made a mistake here. It is actually carbon dioxide. So if we think of carbon dioxide, the mass of carbon dioxide is this is CO2, so it is 44. So instead of 154, we just need to take 44. Now can you calculate what could be the answer? If we take 44 instead of that, the answer is 2, 27.
27.
27. Let's move to the next question. The empirical formula and molecular mass of a compound are CH2O. See, this is empirical formula and molecular mass is 180. What will be the molecular formula of the compound? We know that molecular formula is equal to empirical formula multiplied by N. Now how do we get N? N is equal to mass of molecular mass, or we can say molecular weight, divided by empirical formula weight. So first let's look at what is the empirical formula weight. So here we have C. So for C we write 12. H2, so we'll write 2. And for oxygen we shall write 16. So empirical formula mass would be 6 plus 4, 10. And this is what it is going to be 30 for us, my dear students. So, and what is the molecular formula is 180. So N is equal to 180 divided by 30. which gives us 6. So this N is 6. So the molecular formula is CH2O 6. That is what it is going to be. C6H12O6. So let us find the answer. Yes. This 3 is going to be the answer for us. Let's move to the next question. If the density of a solution is 3.12 gram per liter and the mass of 1.5 ml solution in significant figures, this is out of our syllabus, which of the following statement about a compound is correct? A molecule of a compound has atoms of different elements. This is what you are going to answer. A compound cannot be separated into constituent element by physical method of separation. A compound retains physical properties of its constituent elements. The ratio of atom of different element in a compound is fixed. You need to find out that which one of the following statement is incorrect. Come on, tell me. Find out the incorrect statement and inform me. Everybody.